Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share your mobile's network in your PC using USB cable. So if you guys want to know the full information, if you guys want to get full information, then you need to watch this video till the end and don't skip the video, because if you skip the video then you'll miss some important part of this video. So be careful, don't skip the video. So now without further ado, let's begin this video. So guys, you can see this is my computer, and right now I'm not connected to any kind of internet over here. You can see I'm not connected. So to share your mobile phone's network, you just need to first connect your phone in your computer with the help of USB cable. So I'm going to connect my phone, and you can see a little bit sound is coming. So this screen will pop up on your computer. So you just need to close it. I'm gonna just close this thing, so you can see over here. I'm gonna just close it, and now after that you can see right now the internet is not connected. So you need to just turn on some setting on your phone. So first thing you need to do is that go to setting app. You can see this is the setting, and then you need to go to just wait over here, just go back. This is the setting. You can see this is setting app. You need to go to connection. Sorry, wrong thing. My phone is not charged, so it is not working fine. Connection. You just need to go to connection, and then mobile hotspot, and then here you can see these three options. So here you need to turn on the third option. 1, 2, 3. This third option, turn on the third option. And then after that you can see my internet is turned off, so don't forget to turn on your internet. So I'm going to turn on my internet over here. Just wait, I'm going to turn on it. It is connecting. I just need to wait a little bit. So my internet is connected. You can see, let me show you. You can see this internet is connected. Just go back now, and now if you go back to your computer, let me show you. Here you can see this is my computer, and you can see this Wi-Fi is connected. So you can see this is showing a little monitor icon, so it means that my internet is connected. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure to hit that red button and also tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos on this channel. And if you guys want to get more information about technology, then you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I'll see you again. Stay tuned. Peace.